Viewfinder. Image. Speech off.
Hi. Well, this is to Sherry. Hi, Sherry. She just messaged me to see if I got my fridge magnet, and as I walked in the door, I think this is it. You see, I'm so excited. I love all these fridge magnets you all get saved up for me. Honestly. There's something in with it. Don't know what it is. Can you read it? See if it's off Sherry. Don't know what it says. I hope it is off Sherry and not of some attractive, handsome bachelor that's trying to chat me up and saying smutty things to me. Anyway, here's my little magnet. Oh, thank you so much, Sherry Ann. Can't work out what it is. It feels nice. Let me bring it to you. You see it? You'll have to tell me what it is. I'm going to put it on my fridge. I'll show you my magnets already. Just got in. Right, where can I put this? Put it there. Right. Now, I don't know whether you can see them. I've put it there. I'm going to start at the top. See if you can recognise any of your fridge magnets. Aren't I lucky? I can't believe how many I've got. Honest to God. And I get so excited, you've no idea, honestly. I'm like a big kid. I'm about 20 years behind everyone else who's been collecting fridge magnets. And you know, I haven't had one off my son Freddie. So if anyone has a fridge magnet, please message me and I'll give you my address. And then you can come on my fridge. I don't know whether I've got them all on, but that's the best. I haven't cleaned my fridge. I hope it's not all dirty. Shut up, Colette. What do you want? What do you want? Do you want a fridge magnet? You can be my fridge magnet. Oh, sugar, what was I fell over the mop bucket. So there they all are. Say hello, Colette. Say hello, Mr. Quinn. Quinn, say hello. Hello. Right, I'm going now. Thank you so much, Sherry. Really appreciate it. And like I say, if anyone else has got any fridge magnets, send them my way. I've just been into town and decided to have some extensions put in again. It's I only have just the one row, and it's the same length as my own hair. The other was a bit shorter. So, and the thing about it is I could put heated rollers in, and the girl that does it is lovely, and I'll put the video on after. But can you see? She told me not to put my hat on and ruin it, but I did. I put my hat on. But I'll just curl it up. She does it nice, doesn't she? Thank you. Goodbye.